Introducing the Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni Robot Vacuum, a revolutionary cleaning solution that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled convenience. With industry-first features like 131 hot water mop washing and 9mm auto mop lifting, this robot vacuum sets a new standard in home cleaning. Boasting powerful 6,000 pascals suction and advanced TrueDetect 3D 3.0 Object Avoidance, it effortlessly navigates through obstacles for a thorough and hassle-free cleaning experience. Customize your cleaning with PreciSense LiDAR navigation and enjoy seamless control with the self-contained YIKO voice assistant. This vacuum is not just a vacuum. It's a smarter, more efficient way to clean. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Innovative Hot Water Mop Washing. This vacuum introduces a groundbreaking feature in the realm of cleaning technology with its industry-first 131 hot water mop washing capability. This innovative function dissolves oil and dirt efficiently, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Moreover, the incorporation of hot air drying enhances cleanliness by effectively drying the mop, thereby preventing the spread of germs and maintaining a hygienic environment. Number 2. Auto Mop Lifting for carpet care. The incorporation of a 9mm Auto Mop Lifting system is a game changer for maintaining the cleanliness of rugs and carpets. When the robot detects a carpeted surface, it lifts the mopping plates, ensuring that the carpets remain clean and dry. This feature not only enhances the efficiency of the cleaning process, but also prolongs the lifespan of carpets by preventing water damage. Number 3. Powerful suction and efficient cleaning. With a remarkable 6,000 pascals superior suction power, this vacuum effortlessly removes dust and dirt from various surfaces including hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, and carpets. The upgraded tangle-free rubber brush efficiently tackles pet hair, minimizing hair entanglement and ensuring thorough cleaning. Additionally, the Omni Station provides hassle-free emptying and can hold dust for up to 75 days, significantly reducing maintenance efforts. Number 4. Advanced TrueDetect 3D 3.0 Object Avoidance. Equipped with TrueDetect 3D 3.0 Object Avoidance technology, this vacuum ensures a seamless cleaning experience by identifying and avoiding potential obstacles with millimeter-level precision. This feature, based on structured light technology and 3D imaging algorithms, enables the robot to navigate smoothly even in low-light conditions, guaranteeing a peaceful cleaning process. Number 5. Customizable cleaning experience. This vacuum offers unparalleled customization options to suit individual preferences. Utilizing PreciSense LiDAR navigation and TrueMapping 2.0 technology, users can create 3D maps, partition rooms, set virtual boundaries, and establish cleaning schedules. This level of customization enhances user convenience and ensures optimal cleaning performance tailored to specific needs. Number 6. Seamless interactive experience with Ecovacs. This vacuum provides a seamless interactive experience, eliminating the need for additional connections to external devices such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Siri. This intuitive control mechanism simplifies the operation of the robot vacuum, enhancing user satisfaction and overall enjoyment of the cleaning process. Number 7. Efficient Dual OZMO Turbo Spinning Mopping System. The upgraded OZMO Turbo 2.0 rotating mopping system sets a new standard in cleaning efficiency. Mimicking human hand movements, this system exerts a consistent 6N mopping pressure and spins at 180 rotations per minute, ensuring deep and thorough cleaning. From everyday spills to stubborn dried-on messes, this powerful combination delivers exceptional cleaning results, leaving floors spotless. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 19.13 inches length by 24.99 inches width by 20.98 inches height. Specifications: Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Ecovacs Deebot T20 Omni robot vacuum represents the pinnacle of cleaning technology, offering unmatched efficiency, convenience, and customization options. From its innovative hot water mop washing to its powerful suction and advanced object avoidance capabilities, every feature is designed to elevate the cleaning experience. With this vacuum, maintaining a spotless home has never been easier or more enjoyable. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning tasks and welcome to a smarter, more efficient way of keeping your floors pristine. Trust in this brand to revolutionize your cleaning routine with this vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.